Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, budgeting, saving. I also have saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of crypto and stocks and shares with you guys as well. So in today's video we'll be having a look at BarnBridge. Now this is another coin that you can earn for free on Coinbase, and you will be earning $3 in BarnBridge coins. Now we'll go have a look at the questions and answers, and I'll be sharing all of these with you. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own research before you invest your money. So let's go have a look at the first question and answer. Now you can go through all of these, or you can click at the bottom to just take the quiz. So the first question is, what is BarnBridge? Now BarnBridge is a DeFi risk management protocol. So if you click on that, you've earned your first $1. So if you like that idea, smash the like button so it turns blue, and let's move on to the next lesson. So once again, you can go through all of this or just take the quiz. So this question is, what is Smart Yield? Now Smart Yield is a APY risk management tool. So if we click that, we have earned another $1. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And let's move on to the next lesson. So this question is, what is bond tokens? Now bond tokens is BarnBridge governance token. So if you click on that, you've earned your $3, and there you go. $3 earned for not a lot of time spent. So these tokens you can just cash in, or you can leave it to grow so that you can earn more in the future. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day guys. Bye.